Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll guide you through how to buy stocks in Moomoo paper trading. Whether you're a beginner looking to practice your trading skills or an experienced trader wanting to test new strategies, Moomoo's paper trading feature is a fantastic way to engage with the stock market without using real money. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the paper trade feature in Moomoo. If you're unfamiliar with Moomoo, it's a comprehensive trading platform that offers a range of tools for both novice and seasoned investors. To access the paper trade feature, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Moomoo app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the paper trade section. This area is specifically designed to simulate real trading conditions, giving you the opportunity to practice without any financial risk. Now that you've opened paper trade, it's time to search for the stock you're interested in trading. This step is crucial because it allows you to explore various stocks and decide which ones align with your trading goals. You can use the search bar within the app to find the specific stock you have in mind. Simply type in the company name or the stock symbol, and Moomoo will display the relevant stock information. Take a moment to review the stock's details, including its current price, historical performance, and any other data that can help you make an informed decision. Once you've found the stock you wish to purchase, it's time to select it. You'll see an option to buy, which you'll want to click on. At this point, you'll need to enter the amount of stock you wish to buy. This is where paper trading offers a great advantage, as you can experiment with different amounts to see how it impacts your portfolio without any real financial consequences. Enter the desired amount of shares or the total monetary value you're willing to invest. After you've inputted your desired amount, the final step is to submit the order. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct, then hit submit. Moomoo will process the order and you'll see the stock added to your paper trading portfolio. Keep an eye on how the stock performs over time, and use this opportunity to refine your trading strategies. And there you have it. That's how to buy stocks in Moomoo paper trading. It's a simple and effective way to practice trading without the pressure of using real money. Remember, the key to successful trading is practice and learning from each experience. So take advantage of this tool and enjoy your trading journey. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on using Moomoo and other trading platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.